guys, welcome back. I know I haven't posted one in a while. Just been really busy with work and been trying to get back out there with magnet fishing, but I've been working a lot of overtime, so that's going to have to be set off to the side for now. But I just so happen to get today off, but I got plans for this afternoon. That's why I'm not doing magnet fishing today. So I am going to be showing you how to take some of the bearings out. Poor guy's way of taking bearings out. These steel wheels, like you see on mowers and so whatnot. This one, I'll have to just kind of explain it, but these are steel wheels that have replaceable bearings. I've had these things for years. I actually came off of an old snapper that I actually built a few years back. That's an old snapper push mower. So I got a couple ways I can show you how to take them off and put them on. So we're going to have the little guy helping us out today. Wave. So let me get you set up over here. There's one really simple, easy way to do this. If you have a vise or something that you can actually set this up to where this is the bearing. This is the bearing that's we're replacing it with, and you see these outer flanges here. You don't want this to be landing on that metal. So you want to have it spaced out, like on a vise, just to where it'll be on the outside of that. That way all the pressure's not on the bearing. You're not going to be fighting yourself on it. And see, I got it just to where it moves inside there. And some kind of a punch. You'll need that. And a hammer of some sort. And just simply tap it along the outside of the bearing. Yeah, you just simply tap along the outside edge of the bearing. And on this situation, to get this other one, this one just so happened to just fall out. But you have to fish it through that center, like that. John. You'll have to fish it through the center of the outside and just tap it and work it around like that, all the way around until it just pops out. And that's what I'm doing this way as well. And don't take much. And then go to put a new one in. Like I said, it's very simple, very easy. You just kind of gently tap around the outside edge. So, hey Bubba, you want to do this one?
Yeah.
You want to put the other new one in? Yep, that's set. Alright. Like I said, it's very simple, very easy to do. Now, I want to show you guys another deal. One of the main reasons why I even got this. So, here, let me see the hammer, Bubba. Another idea is with an arbor press. It's just a cheapish one there at Harbor Freight, as some of you may know. This is a, what was it, a 1 ton? Yeah, 1 ton arbor press. And one thing that you can do, you have to make sure it's set up with the larger gap here. You just have to make sure it's set up with the larger gap in the holster. Oh, in the holster. in the deck here. And for that inner one, You'll still, on that outside one, you'll still have to beat it through with a punch. But you can also do this to do the outside ones and to actually set the bearings. See if I can do this actually. I don't even know if I can do it with this. Popping it out. Nope. Huh. It's not wanting to set right here. Get this out. Wait, there, that might work. There. Popped right out. Just like that. And then, yes, Bubba, I'll let you do the other one. After I show you. Alright? Oh. Hey, careful, Bubba. John, what are you doing?
I'm touching myself.
Why are you looking at yourself in the camera? All you see is the top of your head. Okay.
That's not the only one thing.
Alright, hey, Bubba, watch out. So I can show these guys. Guys and gals. Alright, so I don't really like how this thing's going to sit right in the center of that, on that deal, but okay, it doesn't seem like it damaged it at all. I just that center piece, you want to be very, very careful with it because that's where all the balls are for the bearing. So flip it over. Let's get the other one, man. Then we'll have to do the other side. I'll do the other two wheels. I gotta pop those off still and do them. I'll show you what I mean on those. I'm having to punch through. Just like that, it's set. Now we got new ball bearings in here. So now I gotta just take the axle off the other front end and do those. Watch out, Bubba. Alright, so to punch out this lower, see I got the wheels off the front end. So to punch out this lower one, this back side of one, you gotta, like I was saying earlier, you gotta do your best to try to get out to the edge. So, and try to have as much downward pressure as you can. There it is. Just like that. Pops right out. Bye-bye!
What?
Come hither. Here. You do this one. Oh, careful, careful, careful. Here, you do this one. Alright, just hit the wheel. What the heck?
I'm doing it hard.
Alright, let's do it again.
This is heavy.
No, it ain't. Come on, you gotta actually swing it. Swing it. See? Alright, I'll use this one next time.
Okay.
Alright, here, watch out. I gotta get this other one. just a matter of knowing how to pop them out. Alright. Bye-bye. Okay, I know it's kind of hard to see, but they're on and they ain't wobbly no more. That's for sure. Those bearings were shot. So, you take care of your equipment, they'll take care of you. Alright, bye-bye. Hey, did you have fun?
Yeah.
Did you learn something?
Yeah.
So you know how to do it now?
Yeah.
Did I teach you?
Yeah.
Okay, we're good. So you can do it again?
Yeah.
Okay. So, I hope I explained it enough for you guys as well, because he got a hold of it, so I must be doing something right. So, now for the video verse. This is in Isaiah 9, and it's just one verse, verse 6. And it says, "For a child will be born for us, a son will be given to us, and the government will be on his shoulders. He will be named Wonderful Counselor, Mighty God, Eternal Father, Prince of Peace." And that is Isaiah chapter 9, verse 6. And bye-bye.
See you next time.